Cleanse your lungs naturally using these methods. Our lungs are preciously taxed for us. The air we breathe might contain lots of pollutants that are harmful to our lungs. Our lungs are capable of cleaning themselves, but we might just be able to help them out. In this video, we would look at how to do so. Lung cleansing is necessary for people with breathing problems such as asthma. Smokers and persons taking inhaling medication would also need to do this. Stick with us and we would have a look at those ways to do so. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to get alerts on new content. Number 1. Consume lung detox foods. Foods rich in vitamin C have antioxidants and folates that help to cleanse the lungs. A healthy diet enhances the body's capability to cleanse itself and boosts the immune system. The lungs are not excluded. Enough clean water daily would keep you hydrated and help cleanse the lungs. Number 2. Rid of artificial scents. You love air fresheners and scented candles. Hate to let you know, but these are not in any way good for your lungs. These artificials have chemicals in them that irritate the lungs. Some household cleaners have even been labeled irritants. Next time you do some cleaning, ensure to use natural products. Number 3. Air purifier. They have a positive impact on your lungs. The air outside may be polluted and beyond your lung control capacity. Stay at home and use air purifiers at home. They purify the air in your home and helps keep your lungs in good shape. Number 4. Breathing exercises. Research has proven that certain exercises can enhance your lung capacity. This can also help smokers and people with lung problems. Spirometers can help out in breathing practice. If you are comfortable using devices, pursed lip exercises and belly breathing exercises will also work out. Number 5. Go outside and get fresh air. Taking a walk outside to natural parks help detoxify the lungs. This expands your lung tissues. Avoid burning trash, wood and other types of smoke. Pollution forecast might help you choose where to go to. If you have any insights, concerns or questions, please lay them down in the comment section. Do not also forget to like the video and also share with others.